Back in the mid to late 20th century, the race to space between Cold War rivals the US and Soviet Union was led by government agencies. Decades later, a new era of space travel dawned as private companies began investing in the sector. Up to now, flying to space remains a privilege reserved for an elite few. So far, just 7 pioneer travels have visited the International Space Station at a cost of 15 to 30 million euros each. But Virgin Galactic could be launching its own flights to space in 2014 for less than 200,000 euros. Aspiring astronauts would be able to climb aboard Spaceship Two for a couple of hours to admire the Earth from the edge of the atmosphere while feeling the weightlessness of space. The possibilities could be endless for imaginative tour operators. Space Adventures, the company which sent the first tourists into space, hopes to offer flights to the moon one day. And Dennis Tito, who became the first private space traveller in 2001, says he hopes to launch a spaceship to Mars in 2018. There's already talk among others in the industry of space hotels. For those without the means to buy a ticket to the stars, there are other options. For a couple of €1,000, it's possible to simulate a zero-gravity experience, for example, on a parabolic flight.